Alright guys, welcome to Tech by KB, and today I'm going to teach you how to animate your logo. I mean how to change your logo from just a picture to a video. Alright, so the first step is to make sure you have Gemini app. You can download it from the App Store or the Play Store, and then you sign up for an account with your Google account. So you open Gemini, and as you can see, I've previously generated these logos here, these animations. So I will start afresh. When you open Gemini, you start on new chart. When you come to new chart, then you tap the plus button here, and then you choose videos. So this is limited. You have only 10 videos per day. You can't keep on repeating it every single day. No, it's just a trial. But then you can utilize it for your business. So you tap on videos here. Once you are on videos will be selected. So you need to tap on the plus icon again, and then you choose your image. So you tap on images or photos here. Scroll down, select the logo you want to use. So I'll select this logo. And once it's selected, you just type in animate this logo, and then you send it. So after sending, you wait for about 2 to 3 minutes for it to be generated, and then you download it to your gallery. Alright, the video is generating. We are waiting for it. You need a strong network for this. My network is slow here, so it's kind of delaying. Alright, our video is done here. So this is it. As you can see here. Very nice. Alright. So when it's done, you just download it.